Dear viewers, today I stand before you not just as a speaker, but someone who understands the courage it takes to step into the world of forex trading. To all the beginners out there, let me firstly commend you for choosing this path. Trading forex isn't just about numbers, charts, or predictions. It's about embarking on the journey of self-discovery, resilience, and continuous learning. As you venture into this domain, remember that success doesn't come overnight. It is forged through dedication, persistence, and thirst for the knowledge. Let me acknowledge the uncertainties you might face. The initial stages can feel overwhelming. New terms, strategies, and market movement can appear confusing, but trust me when I say this, every successful trader began where you are now. They too navigated through their complexities and conquered the doubts. Embrace the learning curve. Treat each setback as a lesson, each win as encouragement, and each loss as an opportunity to evolve. The market, with its fluctuations and unpredictability, can feel tough, but also your greatest teacher. Remember this, it's not just about making money, it's about understanding the market dynamics, honing your skills, and evolving as a trader. Develop a strategy, but remain flexible. Analyze the trend, but trust your instincts. Stay disciplined, but be open to innovation. This amalgamation of art and science is what sets great traders apart. But beyond strategies and chart, your mindset is the most important powerful asset. Stay resilient. Patience is your ally, and perseverance is your guiding light. Believe in your capability and never let your temporary setback. Surround yourself with a community of traders. Learn from their experience, seek their advice, and later offer support in return. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. There is a vibrant community ready to share instincts, strategies, and motivation. Lastly, never forget why you are embarking on this journey, whether it's financial freedom or passion for market or desire to challenge yourself. Hold on to that motivation. Let it fuel your determination during tough times and apply your joy during victories. My fellow traders, the road ahead is challenging yet incredibly rewarding. Stay committed, keep learning, and always believe in immense potential you hold within. The future of your success in forex trading is in your hands. So go forth, brave traders, and conquer the forex world. The journey may be tough, but the reward is immeasurable. Believe in yourself, take calculated risk, and let your journey to success in forex trading begin today. Thank you.